A very casual morning to you. Welcome to Health Corner, the only place where me, myself, and I, Dr. Adora, they sort you every better matter we concern the casualness of your body and everything we concern your well-being. The matter where they ground this week, now breast cancer. It is very important to be familiar with the anatomy of the breast. As in, your normal breast, both for man and woman, it consists of milk-producing glands where they connected to the top part of the skin at the nipple by what they call some narrow ducts. And these glands, they're supported by some connective tissues which contain fat and some kind fibers them. Then the blood vessels, the nerves, and what they call lymphatic channels where they connected to our lymph nodes. Now them, they form the rest of the breast tissue. This breast anatomy by itself, they sit down under the skin on top of the chest and muscles. You not get even small baby know this one. As in all forms of cancer, the abnormal tissue where they form this breast cancer, now the patient's own cells, where don't multiply without control. And these cells, they travel to different locations for inside the body where on a good day, they're not supposed to. When this one happened, they call them metastatic breast cancer. That now cancer we don't advance well. And this breast cancer, they develop for inside the breast tissue, especially for the milk ducts, that's not the part where they produce milk, or the glands. And this cancer, they call them breast cancer, or even if they first discover them for another part of the body. In this case, they refer to this cancer as advanced breast cancer. This breast cancer, how will they start? They start with one small lump or calcium deposit. It will come spread from there to other channels inside the breast, to the lymph nodes. It will come pass from the blood to the bloodstream to other organs. And this tumor or this lump, if it grow, can invade all the tissues around the breast, not be only the breast, plus the skin and the chest wall. Different types of breast cancer, they grow at different rates. Some they take years to spread, while some others, they spread sharp. Then some of these lumps, they don't get cancer for inside. So not be every lump you see for your breast get cancer. However, some of them fit get cancer. The only way you go differentiate between lump we get cancer and the one we no get, now to go meet your doctor. In go do certain tests to tell you whether you get or not. Research people, sabi people, then discover say like 8 women, if 8 women suppose live up to the age of 85, at least one of them for don't develop the disease, this breast cancer, at one point of their life. 2/3 of the women, that and about 2 out of 3 women, they experience breast cancer when they're over 50 years, and most of the rest now between 39 and 49 years. Thank God say this breast cancer, they very treatable if they quick see them. Then some tumors will never spread where they one place. They fit treat them successfully before the cancer begins spread. Then 1 in 9 out of 10 cases, the woman, she go don't live at least another 5 years when they don't treat them. However, if they don't see this thing on time, then they discover, say, even if they treat them, the thing will still come back. Because once the cancer begins to spread, treatment, they become very difficult. Although they fit control the disease for some years. Then you get some kind treatment procedures where they do, where they make it possible, say, at least 7 out of 10 women with this breast cancer fit survive more than 5 years after they don't diagnose them. And then half fit survive more than 10 years. Right about now, we go enter inside the causes of this breast cancer. Although, in fact, time don't reach where I go waka come out, so I no go yarn this matter again. If you want to know the causes of this breast cancer, join me tomorrow, same time, on top of your Good Morning Naija show, and I go debunk all the myths within your mind. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.